Yeah man, we gotta add in some brown sugar. Me know about them style. Them style are different. Yeah man. What the crab?
Crab tastes good, man.
Tastes nice.
Flavor, everything.
Wow.
Man, I taste the rum and everything.
Yeah.
Everything can it, man. Shout out to
How
Chef
the pepper?
A vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, and me born fist style. Girl a bubble for the king, them love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. In today's video, we are cook some curry crab in the backyard, Jamaican style. Yeah man. Yes people, so in today's video we're gonna make some crab, right? We're gonna add some curry powder, some fish seasoning, lemon juice, garlic. We have some scotch bonnet pepper right there, so thyme, green onion. Alright, we already cleaned up the blue crab them. Alright, so now we're gonna add in with seasoning. See there? Fish seasoning, guys. Decent amount. Add in some curry pani. You know, anything you add curry to, when you make seafood, trust me, are the best. Yeah man. Alright, see there? A little bit of oil pani. Stir it up. Just like that. Alright. So now, let's go chop off them there. Cut up the green onion them, guys. And first of all, I just want to welcome all of my new subscribers them. Big up on yourself, you know. Thank you for joining this cooking journey along with me, you know. Yeah. Add that in. Scotch bonnet pepper. Feel like rain a fall, you know. The rain start drizzle, guys, so I'm gonna try to speed this up, go as fast as possible. So add some oil to the wok. Yeah man, you hear that? Add some curry powder. We're gonna add in, yeah, oh my god, smells so good, guys, so good. Add some lemon juice, just a little bit, not too much. We're going to add in the garlic paste. Just a little bit more, yeah. And once we cook this up, once this start to change color, guys, once it start to turn a little bit orange, we're gonna add some water in it and let it cook down, you know? Yeah man. Today we're outside today, you know? Yeah man. Hope everyone's having a wonderful Sunday, by the way. Or whenever you get to watch this video, hope you're having a wonderful morning, wonderful evening, wonderful night. Yeah man, big up on yourself same way. Alright, so we're just gonna let the fire and the heat do the work. You understand? Yeah, so we're gonna get some water, add this to the seasoning bowl, and then we're gonna dump it right in a few minutes. So we're just gonna make that go and cook down, you know? Yeah man, guys, and if this is your first time watching, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, so that you'll be notified every time we post a new video and we go live. You know, once you hit subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell icon, that notification bell. Make sure all notifications is turned on. You understand? So you won't be missing out on any of my videos, any of my vlogs. You know, today Sunday we're just in the backyard. I'm gonna say, you know, I'm gonna go on a video. I'm gonna go on something different today. So today, We have make some curry crab. Garlic in it, a little bit of herbs in it, scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah man, go spicy and nice. You know, I'm not a fan of crab, I don't eat crab guys, just to make make her know that, but I'm gonna make this to my daughter. You see it, because she loves seafood, so we'll cook it up and she go sample it later on. I might add that, taste part in the video, I'm not sure depending on how she are going. I might show her on the camera, I might not, but enough talking, just watch what I go on. You see that? Looking good now. Looking good, man.
So this is our little project that we have going on. We planted some cabbage. These are cabbage. This is, I believe, jalapeno. And then we have some green onions there. So we started boxing this little area, spread some carpet underneath to, deter the weeds from growing through eventually. And we'll show you the progress as time goes along.
Yeah man, so we're gonna add in the water. Yeah man. Yep. Yes guys, we have people are wait. People are waiting for the curry crab right now. Oh god. Yeah man, we'll drop some Wray Nephew. In it. Different style. This one is called Curry Wray Nephew. Yeah man. See that? Blaze them up, More fire. Yeah man. Like that. You see the flame guys? That's called flambe. Yeah man, so we're gonna make that go and cook up a little bit more. About 5 more minutes once that start boil. And then everything turn orange, reddish color. That's it. You understand me? Yeah man, we're gonna add in some brown sugar. I know about them style. Them style are different. Yeah man. Add some sweetness to the curry. Yeah man, this is one of different people. I tell you. Different. Mix it up. Yeah man. I will just go make this go and simmer some more, Yes people, so the crab is ready. It is good to go. Yeah man. So we're gonna take it out. I walk right now and enjoy. Yes people. Oh jizzle.
Yeah, man.
Man for the mission. Where's it? How the crab?
Crab tastes good, man.
Tastes nice.
Flavor, everything.
Wow.
Man, I taste the rum and everything.
Yeah.
Everything can it, man. Shout out to
How
Chef
the pepper?
Pepper good.
Hot.
Jamaican real scotch bonnet pepper.
Real scotch bonnet pepper.
Real scotch bonnet pepper.
But that's what I go on with the crab. You're not get them crab there anyway,
No, well, yes, sir. Chef Keegan.
Alright, so big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Big up on yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos, more amazing recipes. You understand? Big up on yourself. Love, peace.